In C Sharp, you cannot concatenate two char types like this. This would be wrong, and the compiler will not let you do it. This is because, first of all, char data types can only hold one character, and you can see the compiler complaints to say cannot implicitly convert type into char. And you might say, I didn't say this as an int. So this value here behind the scene is actually stored as an integer. The reason it's stored as integer, it's because it represents Unicode values for A and B. This is one way you could do it, which is store it as an integer in terms of the results that we get, and then you can do C1 plus C2, and this adds the Unicode values for those, and then you get C3. But when you do this, you do not get the output that you desire. So if I run this code here, so as you can see here, we had the values A and B, and those are shown in the output here. But when you look at the output of this line over here, which is over here, you can see that we've got the value A with an accent mark, which is not the desired output that we wanted. How do you properly do this? So you convert the char data type to string like this using the toString method over here, and this is built into C Sharp. And then you can concatenate the output like this, or you can concatenate the output like this. So here we are using string interpolation. So notice the dollar sign, which allows us to mix text with variables. So C1, C2. Now, which one of these method is better? So the toString, of course, is always the better method of doing it. This method, although it's easier on the eye, that is the more efficient method. But if you have lots of strings to concatenate, this one might be an option. My recommendation is to stick with the toString option. And as you can see, the output we do get for both of these over here is A and B, which is what we intended to do before. And of course, this sort of problem does not exist with strings because strings are not value types. They are not stored as integers. They're actually stored as reference or object types. So here, concatenating these two, the compiler knows what to do. So it will go and grab the value of S1 and S2, and it will concatenate and join them together. So here you can see when we write the output, and you can see we have the desired output, which is AB, the result of doing the following operations on it. So I hope this makes sense around char types and what you can and what you can't do with them, and how do you do them properly with the toString method or using the string interpolation.